Hello, in this video I will show you 3 methods how you can take a screenshot on Redmi 15C. But first of all you have to know how you can take a screenshot. So go to the settings and now go to additional settings. From here go to gesture shortcuts and take a screenshot, and here you are able to find slide 3 fingers down and also volume down and power button. So you have to enable what you want from here. And now I will show you the first method is the slide 3 fingers down. So let me show you how you can do it. Take your 3 fingers and make this gesture now and swipe down, and as you can see screenshot was taken just swiping down with the 3 fingers. The second method is the by using power button and volume down button. Just simply press it together like that, and as you can see I made a screenshot. Volume down button and power button. The third method to take a screenshot on Redmi 15C is by going to the quick settings, swipe down your quick settings, do it again, and here you are able to find screenshot quick setting, and as you can see I made a screenshot by using this button over here. And also if you have no screenshot in the quick settings, swipe down your quick settings, do it again, go to the right and go to edit. And now if you have no screenshot over here in your quick settings, maybe you have to get this from the additional quick settings from the bottom. So let's take screenshot and just add it to your quick settings menu and click done. So basically that's all. That was the 3 methods how you can take a screenshot on a Redmi 15C.